Hey, what's good? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I miss you guys so much. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do this simple hairstyle, and I've titled it Shh, don't tell no one else. You will see later in the video that I did crochet braids at the back with this beautiful Senegalese twist that I have here. It's 24 inches long, so it's super long, super long. The length, this is the length of this hair, and I just braided some cornrows at the front to give it an illusion that all the hair was braided, but you and I know that the back, like, we've got something there. Okay, it took me 1 hour 30 minutes to finish the whole hair, and then I used 1 pack of ultra braiding hair for the cornrows, and I added some accessories as you saw me doing to kind of beautify the whole hair as well. So that'll be it. I want too much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I do and you want to see more hair tutorials, more fun random videos. If you want to see more of that, just subscribe to my channel and you won't regret it. Like, you won't regret it. Okay, it's free, so like, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscription button, and once you're done, before you can get notified whenever I upload a video, click on the notification bell, that bell thingy beside the subscription button. Click on that one also, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified and bam, you can watch it. Okay, so yeah, thumbs up this video if you found it helpful. Leave me video suggestions in the comment section down below, and what else, check the description section for all the hair details you need to know, and also watch my previous video because you might need that one as well. And yeah, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. I'll be using some hair from Sublime. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This is their Senegalese twist in color number 118 inches. I bought 2 packs, and then for the front I'll be using some braiding hair to braid the front, and that gives the illusion that all the hair is being braided, but at the back you and I know that we use some pre-made twists. Okay, so let me quickly show you my braid pattern. I've parted this hair. This is where I'll be braiding the cornrow, and I've sectioned it into 2 so that at the end of the day I would know how many cornrows I have to do for both sides. So that's how come I have it sectioned like this. So in total, I have 10 cornrows at the back with 1 single one at the back, which is connecting all the other 10 pieces. So I have 11 cornrows on my head for this side. Alright, so let's begin installing the hair, guys. Making sure that my latch is open. I'm gonna slide it right here. And then open the twist like so. Attach it to the hook, close the latch, then pull it through. I'm done installing the twist. This is how they turn out. This is just 2 parts, but it feels kind of heavy. I don't know why. The back, but I'm loving it though. I hope I can carry it because it feels kind of heavy. Maybe I should have hastened it up a little.